I'm here with our co-founder and VP of Product Development, Erandi Silva. Erandi, welcome. Tell me, what is it that Forge Biologics actually does, and what makes it so special?
Forge is a biotech company that we started that's devoted to making a new special kind of medicine called a gene therapy. So our company is a little bit unique because not only do we have a manufacturing facility that actually develops and produces gene therapies for client companies, but we also leverage and use that manufacturing capability to produce our own therapeutic pipeline.
Tell me about the types of people, the character behind the people that work here, and the type of people that we'd like to work here.
What we strongly look for are people who are passionate and have a vision for what they want to do with their lives. They have to be driven by wanting to help people. So we seek engaged people, we seek highly driven and focused and really passionate people who want to make a difference in other people's lives.
That's awesome. So when somebody does come on to the Forge team, what does that career path look like as they start from the beginning and kind of work their way up, aspiring to be the next Erandi Silva?
I think what's so unique about joining a startup company that is rapidly growing like ours and has a very ambitious mission, such as ours, is that you can come in at whatever level might fit you today, but you have the opportunity to grow with us and to build this company with us. So wherever you might join us and come in, you have the opportunity to work with us to shape your future career path and find your home within this organization or perhaps beyond.